Hey guys, so I'm going to show y'all how to embed videos from YouTube in your Canvas page. A couple different methods today. So I'm on YouTube on the AP English language page. It has all the videos that AP put out last spring. They were initially live sessions, I guess. And so I'm just going to kind of pick one here. I'm going to go with understanding the complexities of argumentation. So let's say this is the video that I want to put on my Canvas page. And so what I'll do here is I'll right click it and I'll do copy video URL. Okay, I've already found the video I want on YouTube, and so it should be pretty easy. So let's go back to my Canvas page here, and let's just say I want to put it in a page. So I'll go open a module, I'll make a blank page real quick. I'll just make it in this 36 weeks because why not? So I'll make a page, I'll do new page, and I'll say argumentation. Alright, so I've got my new page. So it's blank, it's no fun. A lot of people just paste the link in like that, and it works okay. Sometimes that makes the kids open a new window, and that's not exactly what you want. So there's a couple different ways you can do this from here. If you go to this little caret where it says more external tools, you can pull this down, you can find the YouTube tool. Here you could search, like if I wanted to look at lots of videos, I could type argument, or I could spell it right, that'd probably help. So argument, and then I could find, maybe relevant videos. I don't normally like this way because, as you can see, I get lots of results, and I don't really have a chance to pre-filter them. So I like to go on YouTube directly and find my video first. So if I already have my link to the YouTube video, which I do, I could paste the link in here and say, oh, this is my problem. I have 0 results, right? I can't find the video because it's either private or there's some other kind of setting to it. If the video pops up there, it's cool. There's a little button that'll say embed. You click it and it's there, and it's easy. But don't fret if you get this example too, like where there's 0 results. Okay, so all I have to do to get around that is go back to my YouTube video that I'm trying to get. And so there's a button down here where it says share. So I'm going to press share, and then the first option is to do embed. When I press that, all this scary code type pops up. It's not that bad. All you have to do is highlight it. Okay, you can right click it, you can do copy, and then you can close this, and then on your Canvas page, instead of using the caret where you get to the YouTube tool, you're going to come over here to where it says insert and edit media. You're going to click insert edit media, you're going to do embed, you're going to paste that code that you copied, the iframe code, you hit OK, and as you can see right here, my video is populated. It's right in there like that. I'm trying to keep this real short, but I'll show you another example really quick too. Like if I wanted to do, a Quizlet or something like that. Quizlet learning tools, flashcards. So let me see if I can. Oops, I don't want to browse. I want to search. Argument. All right, so I'll search argument, and let's just say I want to use this one. Or if this one's better because it's got 46 terms. Alright, so here we go. I got my argument flashcards. Okay, so same little deal. I'm going to use the little 3 dots down here. I'm going to go to embed, and you'll see I get the same exact iframe code here. I can copy it, and I can go to my Canvas page. I can do insert edit media. I can do embed, and I can paste it in there. And now my Quizlet is all here. Okay, so if I want the kids to play a matching game with the Quizlet, they can do that in the Canvas page.